Slide.
Good afternoon, everyone. I, Tumpa Banerjee, HOD MCA, Siliguri Institute of Technology, welcome all the participants to the webinar on Plan Your IT Career, organized by NDLI Club, Siliguri Institute of Technology, in association with Central Library and Department of Computer Application. We are living in a society which is powered by digital devices, especially computer, mobile, laptop. And the revolution in technology affected our choices, way of living, communication, etc. Information technology is no doubt an exciting and creative discipline, propelling students towards innovation and technology. High demand of information technology in industry attracting students, professionals to turn their career in IT. Having knowledge of coding itself may not help you to achieve a highly paid job. You may need to know something extra, including coding. Many of you may or may not know these things. This session aims to acquaint students additional requirement for getting a job, getting a job and making a remarkable progress in career. Today, our speaker Rituparna Bhattacharya is going to enlighten our students regarding preparation of IT career. Rituparna Bhattacharya completed her BCA and MCA degree from Siliguri Institute of Technology. She is working with Exavalu as a full stack developer. She was appreciated with a Spot Award in September 2022 for successful completion of an internal project within 2 weeks. She received Rising Star Award in 2022 for being the best performer from full stack development team. She received Best Performer Award during her first phase of internship. Rituparna was popular among teachers and students for her outstanding performance in academic and extracurricular activity. She is well known in Exavalu for her excellent performance, energetic behavior, and positive attitude for all type of work. She has a YouTube channel where she motivates others about book reading and um, how to start freelancing, etc. Though she started her IT career in 1.5 years back, but she was involved with various live projects since her graduation. Now, without wasting our time, I hand over this session to our speaker Rituparna Bhattacharya for continuing this webinar. So, Rituparna, please you can continue.
Thank you so much for having me here. It's an honor to be given this opportunity to share my knowledge and experience. So, before moving ahead, I want to briefly share my journey as a full stack developer. Since the fourth semester of BCA, I started developing interest in web development using web technologies and PHP. And as I worked on my first final year projects, I started becoming more passionate about it. In the last semester of BCA, I got my first internship in a digital marketing agency where I had the opportunity to expand my skill set by learning about digital marketing. And as I got a chance to work with customer management, relationship management tools like WordPress. After that, completing my BCA, I started doing freelancing. It was a group initiative where we served many clients by developing websites and web apps for them. And I gained a decent experience from there. I was doing MCA at the same time. After that, I got placed at Exavalu as an intern, and now I'm working as a full stack developer there. At Exavalu, in my current role, I have been working on a diverse range of tech stacks that includes React.js, Node.js, Express.js, Spring Boot, MySQL, and Postgres. And I have also gained experience in integrating various AWS services. This experience has provided me with an opportunity to work with cutting edge technologies and has given me exposure to real world problem solving scenarios. So that was pretty much about me. The journey towards a career in IT is a continuous learning experience, but with perseverance and passion. it can lead to a world of limitless opportunities. And today I am going to go over these topics one by one, starting with the overview of the IT industry. The IT industry has its root in the mid 20th century when the development of electronic computers paved the way for digital data processing. Over the years, the industry has experienced rapid growth and evolution. With the introduction of personal computers in 1980s, the rise of the internet in the 1990s, and the emergence of mobile devices and cloud computing in 2000s and 2010s. Today, the IT industry is a multi trillion dollar global industry that encompasses a wide range of technologies and services, including hardware, software, networking, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, and many more. So, as per the current state of the industry, the IT industry is one of the largest and fastest growing sectors in global economy. As of 2022, the industry has a market size of over 5.3 trillion. That projected growth of around 6% per year. Growth is driven by increasing demand for cloud computing, big data analytics, cybersecurity services, expansion of Internet of Things, and development of artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies. The industry is likely to create new job opportunities for skilled professionals. The IT industry will drive innovation in a wide range of industries. So this was pretty much it about the current state of IT industry. Now for the overview of different sectors, the IT industry can be divided into several different sectors, each of which focuses on specific area of technology and provides a range of services to clients and customers. And there are some of the key sectors within the industry: data, software development, cloud initiatives, artificial intelligence initiatives, automation theme, customer engagement servicing, and cyber security. Now, there are some future trends and emerging technologies that are being implemented and will be implemented in our near future. Those are: artificial intelligence will continue to advance and become more integrated with other technologies such as robotics and the IoT. The use of extended reality technologies such as augmented reality and virtual reality will become more widespread in industries like healthcare, education, and entertainment. Cybersecurity will remain a critical concern with a focus on developing new technologies and strategies to protect against cyber threats. The rise of automation and autonomous systems will create new opportunities for jobs and business models, but also raise ethical and social issues that need to be addressed. Environmental sustainability will become an increasingly important consideration in the tech industry, with a focus on developing green technologies and reducing carbon emissions. So, these are some of the high demanded IT jobs, which are software development, data scientist, artificial intelligence specialist, IT manager, information security analyst, computer system analyst, computer network architecture, site reliability engineer, DevOps engineer. And these are the few skills that are required to get those high demanded IT jobs. First one on the list is software developer. Full stack developers with experience in both front end and back end development are in high demand. Second on the list is data scientist. Data scientist and data analyst positions are in high demand, with a focus on skills like data mining, machine learning, and data visualization. Third on the list is artificial intelligence specialists. AI and machine learning engineers are needed to develop and implement AI and ML solutions with a focus on skills like natural language processing and deep learning. Fourth on the list is IT manager. IT managers are responsible for leading and directing IT teams to ensure the organization's technology infrastructure meets business needs and goals. Fifth on the list is cloud architects. Cloud architects and engineers are needed to design, build, and maintain code based infrastructures and applications. Sixth on the list is cybersecurity specialists. Cybersecurity specialists are also in high demand with the focus on skills like threat analysis, security engineering, and risk management. Now that I have covered all the basic introductions regarding IT, now the most important question arises, which is how to be prepared for the high demanded IT jobs. So here I have divided the whole process into small modules. First on the list is master the fundamentals. And as a full stack developer, I understand that cracking job interviews can be a daunting task. However, with the right preparation, mindset, and skills, you can increase your chance of landing your dream job. And here are some key notes on how to crack your job interviews. So, for mastering the fundamentals, to be successful as a full stack developer, it is important to have a strong understanding of the fundamental concept of programming, such as learning any procedural programming language, such as C, and along with learning object oriented programming language, such as C, Java, or Python. I would suggest more focusing on learning Java because it is more popular than C++ in industry standards due to its simpler syntax, better library support, and platform independent nature. Learning Java will provide you a strong foundation for server side work, and it is particularly suitable for learning popular frameworks like Spring Boot, which is widely used in enterprise applications. And if you are interested in AI and machine learning, you can also go for Python. Second one is working on technical skills. After learning the fundamentals, you should start getting knowledge in front end technologies such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and backend technologies such as Node.js, Python, or Ruby on Rails. Or you can also learn Spring Boot. You should be familiar with few of the database technologies as well, such as MySQL, MongoDB, or Postgres, as well as version control tools like Git. Third on the list is making personal project. After learning both front end and back end tech stacks, you should build some projects to showcase your experience which is relevant for your preferred IT job. Fourth on the list is practicing coding. Coding skills are essential for full stack developers, so it is important to practice regularly. Working on coding challenges, participating in hackathons, and contributing to open source projects will keep your skills sharp so that you can get prepared for technical round of interview. And you can also practice from these platforms, which is HackerRank, LeetCode, Gigs for Gigs, to master your problem solving skills. And eventually, it will be very useful to crack the coding round of the job interview. Fifth on the list is developing soft skills. Full stack developers don't work in vacuum. So it is very important to have strong communication and collaboration skills be And be prepared to talk about the experience working on teams and your ability to work with others. Practice speaking slowly and clearly, and enunciate your words properly. This will help you to ensure that interviewers can understand what you are saying. So, here are some tips to prepare for these. First one is use simple language. So, it is necessary to avoid using jargons and technical terms that the interviewer may not understand. Instead of that, we should use simple and easy to understand languages. Second on the list is be concise. Try to keep your answers brief and to the point. Rambling or going off on the tangents will make it harder for the interviewers to understand your thoughts. Third on the list is use examples. When answering questions, use examples from the past experiences to illustrate your points. This can help you to make your answers more engaging and memorable. Fifth on the list is listen carefully. Communication is a two-way street, so make sure you listen carefully to the interviewer's question and respond appropriately. This shows that you are engaged and interested in the conversation. Sixth on the list is practice with others. One of the best ways to improve your communication skills is to practice with others. You can practice with your friend or family members, and you can also join a public speaking group to gain more experience. Seventh on the list is get feedback. Ask for feedback on your communication skills from people you trust. That can help you identify areas where you need to improve and develop a plan for how to do so. And always remember a good skills are essential in many aspects of life, just not in job interviews. By practicing these skills regularly, you can improve your ability to communicate effectively and confidently with others. After that, we have researching about the company. Before going into an interview, research the company's profile and the job position thoroughly. This will help you to understand what the company is looking for in a candidate and how your skills and experience align with their needs. And also, they may ask questions from their own company. Any interview may ask some questions on their company. And seventh on the list is preparing for interview questions. For an IT job, it is important to demonstrate your technical skills, problem solving skills, and familiarity with the latest technology trends. Here are some of the tips to help you prepare. First on the list is research the company's technology stack. Learn about the technology tools and systems the company uses and familiarize yourself with them. This can help you tailor your answers to fit their technology needs. Second on the list is review the job description. Make sure you understand the technical requirements of the job and responsibilities. This can help you to anticipate the types of questions the interviewer may ask and prepare appropriate answers according to those questions. Third on the list is brush up on technical skills. Refresh your technical skills by reviewing programming languages, development tools, database operating systems, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and other relevant topics. Fourth on the list is prepare behavioral questions. Behavioral questions are designed to assess how you have handled specific situation in the past. Be prepared to provide examples of how you have dealt with technical challenges or solved complex problems. Fifth on the list is use STAR method when answering questions. Any questions, be it behavioral questions or technical questions, use the STAR method to structure your responses. This involves describing the situation, task, action, and the result of particular technical experience, mostly in the behavioral rounds. Sixth on the list is stay up to date with technology trends. Keep up to date with the latest technology trends by reading industry publications and attending relevant conferences and events. This can help you to demonstrate your knowledge of emerging technologies and trends during the interview. Sixth on the list is prepare questions to ask. Prepare a few technical questions to ask the interview about the company's technology development and process, or any relevant technology challenges that may have faced. And always remember, the more you prepare for technical interview questions, the more confident and comfortable you will be during the actual interview. Take the time to research, practice, and prepare. You will be well on your way to acting your next IT interview. 8 on the list is showing passion and interest. And this comes under interview tips, which is approach the interview with a positive attitude, enthusiasm, and eagerness to learn. Be confident, but humble in your responses and avoid being arrogant or defensive. Try to build rapport with the interviewer and show your interest in the company and the role. By keeping these notes in your mind, you can increase your chance of cracking job interviews for full stack developer roles. Remember to stay focused, keep learning, and be prepared to showcase your skills and passion for full stack jobs. Now we have building strong resume. A strong IT resume can help us stand out among other applicants and increase our chance of landing an interview or job offer in the competitive IT industry. This can also demonstrate our skills, experience, and accomplishments to potential employers and showcase our value as a candidate. First on the list is a strong IT resume should also include key components such as skills, experience, and education. Second on the list is key skills should be highlighted, including technical skills and soft skills like communication and teamwork. Third on the list is relevant work experience should be listed, including job titles, dates of employment, and a summary of job duties. Fourth on the list is education and certifications. That should also be included with emphasis on those relevant to the IT industry. Fifth on the list is putting GitHub profile link would also be great in your resume to showcase your relevant experience. And awards and recognitions should also be added to highlight accomplishments in both IT and educational fields. So this is the sample resume I have prepared, and first I have given my name, and below that I have given my job description, and below that I have given my contact details such as email ID and my portfolio link. So in the top right section, left section, I have provided the educational details, and below that there is some coursework which was in my graduation and post graduations, and below that I have mentioned my skills related to programming technologies and tools. And on the top right section, I have provided my experience based on the jobs and internships I did, and for each of the job descriptions I have provided some summary and the projects I have done. And these both educational and experience details should be based on the latest date of your job. So your recent educational details should be on top, as well as your latest experience details should be on top, and so on. And beside that, I have provided some links of my social accounts, and beside that, I have given some awards which I have received. And this resume was for an experienced candidate. If you are a fresher, you can provide the experience in the section of experience. You can provide projects details that you have prepared, and you can also provide your communication skills and soft skills here. As I have worked in a company and did this team works, so it is obvious that I have already those skills. That is why I have not mentioned those skills explicitly, other than providing this details about my project. And after preparing all these things, which is preparing for our fundamental and building a strong resume, there are some job search strategies, which are job search engines. So, from search engines, educate job posting from multiple job boards and company websites. Example of job search engines include Indeed, LinkedIn, Monster, and Glassdoor. Second on the list is networking. This strategy involves searching out to friends, former colleagues, and professional contacts to inform them of your job search and seek advice, referrals, and recommendations from them. Third on the list is company website. Use company websites to research potential employers and to find job posting that may not be listed elsewhere. This also demonstrates your interest in your company. Fourth on the list is personal branding. This can include building strong online presence through social media, maintaining an updated LinkedIn profile, and creating a personal website, blog, or a YouTube channel for the same. Fifth on the list is cold calling and emailing. Job seekers can contact companies directly by sending a cover letter and resume to the company's HR department. This method can be effective if the job seeker has a specific company or industry in mind, so they can directly cold email them. Sixth on the list is freelancing platforms. Freelancing platforms and websites that connect freelancers with clients who need specific services. Freelancing platforms are useful for job seekers who want to work on a freelance basis to gain real world experience and client requirements. Lastly, I would like to conclude the session by saying these words. Always remember that your potential is limitless. Keep striving for the excellence, and you will achieve greatness in no time. Thank you for joining me today and investing in your own growth. I can't wait to see all the amazing things you will accomplish. Thank you.
Thank you, Rituparna. And I would like to ask our participant, is there any question for Rituparna? If you have any question, then you can write it in the chat box. Participant, if you have any question you can write it in the chat box. And Rituparna, thank you very much for enlightened student regarding this topic. And today actually we have lots of farewell program in various department. That's why our students could not participate. But for your from your presentation, I can tell you two things I like mostly. That one is the job search opportunities, how student can search the job. Because we have seen that sometimes one student used to get the 6 job, 7 job, 8 job, and some student used to tell where how to search the job. We never see any off campus job for freshers. So you have already explained that part. And another one part I like most, that interview tips and your resume also, how to prepare the resume, that also you explained very well. And one more thing, next time, another one day, if we get the chance again, we will call you for giving speech on this particular topic. Okay, so students, they don't have the question. So thank you, Rituparna, once again for coming as a speaker for this program. Okay, thank you, student. Okay, thank you.